A rollaway bed is an easy way to provide space for your guests to sleep. Used a bit like a futon, a rollaway bed has a wood or metal frame that can be folded up and stowed away. Hi guys, in this video, we will look at the top 5 best folding guest beds that are available on the market today. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. LUCID Rollaway Folding Guest Bed with Memory Foam Mattress. It is always good to use a bed that is heavy-duty and long-lasting, which is why LUCID designed a bed that offers superior structure and quality. This rollaway folding guest bed provides extra comfort with its soft mattress that has 1 inch of memory foam and support foam that measures 3 inches. The memory foam is Certipore US certified, so it is guaranteed safe for everyone. It has no dangerous odors that can be risky to your health. Moreover, this rollaway folding guest bed with mattress is easy to set up, and you can easily store it if not in use. You can effortlessly assemble it and simply lock its wheels so you can safely use it. And another important detail, this bed has a 10-year warranty. At number 4. Linon Home Dcor Luxor Memory Foam Folding Bed Mattress. If you're looking for a space-saving and durable bed, this folding guest bed with mattress is one of the perfect selections. This bed will provide exceptional comfort with its thick mattress covered by a memory foam. It also comes with an elegant beige damask fabric cover to avoid the mattress from dusting. To keep the bed stable, it is structured with a durable metal tube frame with the assistance of wood flat supports. So if you're expecting some guests that will stay overnight in your house, this folding bed would be perfect to use. At number 3. Milliard Diplomat Folding Bed. Excellent comfort, stability, convenience, and stylish design are all in this outstanding folding bed made by Milliard. This folding bed is made with a full metal, and its legs are durable enough to keep the bed steady. Its foam has the perfect quantity of support, and to add magnificent comfort, it is topped with deluxe memory foam. This bed also comes with a washable soft cover to protect the mattress from being dusty. Also, it is simple to use, and you can assemble it real quick. Despite being made with full metal, this bed is still lightweight. Its portability is superb, so it is easy to bring anywhere. At number 2. FirsTime & Co. Chow Comfort Bed. Bring imagination and style into your decor with expertly crafted FirsTime & Co. Home furnishings that are American designed to fit your life and let your home express your vision. Our team truly believes that your home can be a place that feels inviting and authentic with furnishings that reflect your unique style. We invite you to take the first step to transform your home into your dream space, one accessory at a time. Composed of high-density foam on a flexible mesh base, the Chow Comfort folding bed offers guests an ultra-comfortable night's sleep. Caster wheels make it easy for anyone to maneuver and store away in a closet, laundry room, or any narrow space until company arrives. The gray fabric design with a trellis pattern features red, white, and green flag accents as an homage to our bed's Italian-made roots. Finally, at number 1. Coleman Camping Cot, Air Mattress, and Pump Combo. Are you the type of person that likes to go on adventures, such as camping? Well, we highly recommend this air mattress and cot, made by Coleman. The air mattress highlights coil structure called Comfort Strong that promotes comfort and stability. Talking about durability, the sturdy steel cot can hold up to 600 pounds, and it can have space for those people whose height ranges up to 6 feet 2 inches. Not only that, to avert the mattress from leaking, Coleman has installed airtight technology into this bed. This bed also comes with a 4D battery-operated pump, so you can easily inflate or deflate your air. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as possible.